So day 56 went interesting. I did trade two of my setups, which I found pre-market. They went according to plan. However, on the third trade, I traded something that was not my playbook, and I did it with a lot of size. So there's a problem there, big problem there. And because of that, I am plus 0.18. I'd like to set my goal at 0.35 daily. And I did not have that today because I got greedy essentially and FOMO'd into a setup that was not mine. So let me just show you what that looks like. First trade on AMD, this is actually pre-market. I saw a really good opportunity for a bottom-up reversal when we broke out of this trend. I entered here with this candle close above this baseline with a take profit of the line. I just about got there on that trade. That was really good. I didn't use incredible size. Second trade, this is Super Microcomputers, SMCI. We had a nice 16% day here. And what I did was I looked for the breakout, we looked for exhaustion, and we retested this area. Now, this was the trade that I gave it all back on. Now I entered this trade and I was looking for a push above these levels to be my stop loss, which ended up happening. I had 150 shares into this trade, got myself back down to essentially zero. And then the last trade of the day, the 0.18, is what ended up happening because of this trade, was another trade for Verizon. Now, when I saw this exhaustion push below, I actually entered the position on this candle here. I entered the position on this candle here. We pushed below and I was looking for a take profit here, which we ended up getting. So because of that trade, and I used less size too, we were able to get ourselves back to a 0.18 day. If I took all the trades I took today and I didn't trade that one that wasn't in my setup, I would be far better off. I'd most likely be at 0.5, 0.6 day. But because of that silly mistake and not following my trading rules, that is why we are at where we're at. So this is just another confirmation for me to only look for my setups and only trade my setups. And you know, every time I think I know the market, or I'm, you know, let's try something new, or they're just less likely to go my way. You live and you learn. Trade better tomorrow.